I just ran it up for my people's sake. I just put a bitch on a birthday cake. Every 50 times, so told him I ain't play no game in a place.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your first time watching. Today you'll see how I created this look which I like. If you're interested, stay tuned so you get to see till the end. Please, before I start, do not forget to subscribe. Click the bell button to be notified whenever I post. Like and comment what you think about this video. And yeah, see you at the other side. So I just start by brushing my eyebrows and I go in with the BH3O brow content. I've forgotten the name, and I just fill it into my eyebrows. I just do quick strokes underneath and on top with the darker side that's more jelly. Then I go in with the powder side and just fill it inside. I feel like whenever I use this gel, my eyebrows are lighter in color compared to when I use an eyebrow pencil. But yeah, I really do like the product and it's been with me, or I've had it for a year now. I just brush my eyebrows out. If you notice, I didn't put any product right in front. Then I clean it up with the LA Girl concealer in Toffee. I think that's what I used. And I go in with this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I saw on YouTube that people made use of it this way, and I felt like it has a significant difference when you put it underneath your makeup. It just makes you look really radiant. Then I go in with this Fit Me foundation. Yes, I'm listening to music, that's why I'm dancing. And I color correct. I actually like to color correct low-key. Okay. Then I just blend it out a little bit because it was all in one spot, and I just use my brush and I blend my foundation. So the key to this video is just to tell you guys the tricks on how I contour to avoid flashbacks, some things I have realized or I've observed from doing makeup or from viewing, just my personal opinion. So yeah, just keep watching. This Fit Me foundation is really good. Everybody loves it on me and the price is good. So first of all, one of the tricks I realized is when it comes to contour, sometimes to avoid flashback is not to use a really dark contour shade. So this espresso in LA Girl, if you notice, it's not that dark. It's not as dark as the Fenty Beauty one. It's just a tiny bit dark. So that I use when I don't want sharp contour. Then I go in with the e.l.f. contour as well, the dark side. It's not that dark too, but it makes a huge difference when you use lighter shades. Yeah. And I go in with the LA Girl and I just put a little bit. Now yeah, I look, this is tribal shade right there. Anyways, yeah, so I go in with that. I just put that in all the places I want to highlight. Then yeah, so I put underneath the contour. Whenever I make use of a lighter contour shade, I put the LA Girl highlighter, or what you get what I'm trying to say, underneath, because then it's like reverse contour. Like it's not that dark, but with the lighter shades it makes your cheekbone come out. If you notice, there's now a really big difference from when I just had the darker shade and when I did. You see now my cheekbones are out. See? Boom, boom, snatched. And if you notice, this blending is the key. Then I go in with this Clinique. I think it's not for sale, but it's a setting powder. When you buy something from their store, they give it to you. I actually do like it. And my Sasha Buttercup, I could not find it, so I just decided to use it, and it came out really nice. Then very important, you guys, you blend out the entire contour you've done to make sure that when you turn to your side, you don't have sharp lines with a finishing powder. I know this video is kind of short, but I blend a whole lot. Sorry, and also I know that you guys will be wondering what happened to my eyes. Yes, the footage, it's unable, I could not open the file. I don't know what happened to my camera because it's the same technique I used all the time. So yeah, moving on into the lips, I start with a black eyeliner. I have only one red lipstick, but I make use of my red lipstick in like 5 to 6 different ways. I think I'll make a video on how to create different looks with red lipstick. So yeah, using only one product. And today I made use of the MAC Ruby Wood. Then I went in with pink lipstick. I saw this on IG, and this is the color Pop drive-in lipstick. I saw it on IG for one bridal makeup, and I was like, whoa. So red and pink actually goes. I mean, I think a lot of people know. Then if you notice, I quickly set my face with the MAC. It's always important to set your face first before your highlighter, because then it actually, the glow comes from within and it doesn't look cakey. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
And call me mister if you want to stay out.